Meizu has returned with the smartwatch after a gap of around 5 years. The company has introduced the Meizu Watch M1, a budget-focused wearable. It is equipped with AMOLED touchscreen display with 2.01 inches screen size that offers a resolution of 410 by 502 pixels and peak brightness of up to 1000 nits. The display is protected by 2.5D glass and supports full touch operation. The smartwatch supports Bluetooth calling and Bluetooth music playback, allowing users to answer calls directly from the wrist when connected to a smartphone. It can monitor heart rate, sleep patterns, and calorie consumption. The Watch M1 supports more than 100 sports modes, covering activities such as walking, running, cycling, hiking, and various indoor workouts. Additional features include sedentary reminders, hydration reminders, and women's health tracking. The wearable carries an IP68 rating for dust and water resistant. It has 300 mAh battery that is claimed to deliver around 3 to 5 days of typical usage, while standby time can reach up to 15 days. The price is just $45. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.